Here's how to connect your GoPro with GameChanger for real-time updates. Now, first thing you need to know, GameChanger itself doesn't directly support GoPro integration. That means you can't just plug a GoPro into the app and stream video inside GameChanger. GameChanger is mainly for scoring, stats, and play-by-play updates. But here's the workaround. If your GoPro supports live streaming, you can stream to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or any RTMP-compatible service. Then, you share that stream link inside your GameChanger team chat or event notes. Fans can watch the live video and still follow along with the play-by-play updates in GameChanger. Here's how to set it up step by step. 1. Schedule your event in GameChanger like normal. 2. When you get to the streaming setup, tap external camera instead of using your phone's camera. 3. GameChanger will give you an RTMP URL and stream key. Copy that info. 4. Open the GoPro Quick app, tap the camera icon, connect to your GoPro, and choose Live Stream. 5. Pick Other, RTMP as the platform. Paste in the RTMP details from GameChanger. 6. Select your resolution, network, and lens settings, then hit Go Live. Once the GoPro stream starts, head back into GameChanger. After about 30 to 45 seconds, the live event will appear inside the app, paired with your scoring updates. Fans now get both video from your GoPro and real-time stats from GameChanger. When you're done, just end the stream in the GoPro app. And that's it. You've got GoPro live streaming working alongside GameChanger updates. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next one.